All right, here we go. Hey guys, welcome back. Got a special episode today because it is a Macintosh keyboard hacking release party. Woo! So I'm gonna go ahead and call this good enough. Um, got the code up on the YouTube or the GitHub now. MacintoshKeyboardHacking.com slash that right there. And just going to kind of go through and show what that code does and, why you might be interested in it if you're a Tableau HDMI user. I have only tested this with the legacy Tableau Quad HDMI unit that I own. It doesn't work, obviously, against the 4th gen. A lot of things have changed there. But I'll just go to my, just get bigger. So we're going to go ahead and go to the folder where I'm storing that stuff. All right, and this is just a folder where I have been archiving my Tableau content. And it's tt go do extract network. And so that's going to kind of run through, and what it's doing, it's made a copy of the database out of the Tableau, and it's looking at the recording IDs that it's finding on the file system there. So yeah, that's slash BBR slash. That's these folders here, and so inside those folders, I'm using the file snap done as sort of a signal that the folder is ready for processing. That seems consistent even on the newer units. That's like the last thing that gets done. So we can use that as sort of a complete item there. And yeah, the way we're getting the getting inside and decoding what those things are, I've got a symbolic link sitting in the root of the drive. These oh god, there's always a file system hole. It's just so we're not gonna make too much of that because we're gonna stay focused on the positive things. So what this script does, it runs through and establishes, makes a copy of the database. You'll need to set the temporary folder to something, more appropriate to your environment. We're able to, we run off a Python script that actually processes the database and pulls out the episode name and season number and stuff like that. And we're also able to determine the artwork that's natively displayed in the interface. We resample that into a pretty format, and we attach that as the thumbnails for the folders that are on the Samba file system that's generated through this. And then we come through and, once we identify all the segments that are in a given folder, we just sort of iterate through those, and we use FFmpeg to sort of bring those, convert the MPEG to transport stream into a little bit more cooked format. It's not quite MPEG-4, but it's more compatible with Dash or something. Anyway, the combination of a remux through FFmpeg and then another mux through MP4Box to turn it into what's called a fragmented MP4, that just improves responsiveness when streaming. That seems like a pretty good combination. And yeah, so we do all that stuff. Inside this thing, this is the actual Python. Make sure this points to the file that is copied out by the shell script. We select some useful things from the recording table. Interestingly, it's text. Yeah, parent ID is where we get the image stuff from. Yeah, text3 is where the actual image thing is stored. But anyway, we come through and we make some spelling adjustments. The whole thing, the goal is to have no spaces in the file names because that just always is too much work for me. So we come through, we tag the seasons and episodes, and yeah, so that all happens. So when the script is run, it's still churning away here in the background. Guess I got a new, somebody was a foodie, but that just sits there and runs, and then the output we can view either in the Mac OS Finder. I haven't got the individual episode thumbnails sorted yet, but the parent folders are there. And yeah, that also works on Windows as well. There may be one or two glitches left. It's a proof of concept. Go TV 2. Ding. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, permissions. It's got to do with the way Samba remaps things. But yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Look forward to getting the next level done. The actual thumbnails and such for the episodes look so boring. So yeah, and it all happens and is automatic and scriptable, and yeah, it's good enough for now. I was really just wanting to make sure that I saved the thumbnails personally. Yeah, so I could come back. I can come back and clean this up more later. Which, of course, is an ongoing battle because down to just 300 gigs out of my 11 terabytes. So anyway, yeah, check it out. Give me some feedback, like and subscribe, all that stuff. I'm gonna go, yeah, I'm gonna go do some other stuff. So you guys enjoy, and we'll catch you later.